Hey guys, in this video I'll show you two ways on how to fix there has been an error in the Microsoft Store. The first thing I want you to do is just right click on your star icon at the bottom left and then click here on settings, okay? Now once settings loads up, I want you to go ahead and navigate to apps. So we need to find apps and features. Right here, as you can see, we have apps. So go ahead and click on this apps icon, go to apps and features, and then we just need to find the Microsoft Store here. Okay, as you can see, we have a bunch of different apps. You can go ahead and scroll down until you find the Microsoft Store, or you could also search for it. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. Okay, and then click on advanced options right here. Now, once this loads up, I just want you to go ahead and scroll down until you see reset. Go ahead and click on reset and the app's data will be deleted. Then you can open it again. It should work. Now, what you can also do, another method, is you just come here and search. Just go ahead and click on search, type in run, okay? And then open up this app. Go ahead and type in services.msc, click on OK. And then what I want you to do, once that loads up, I want you to go ahead and find Microsoft Store install service. So go ahead and scroll down until you see M right here. As you can see right here, make sure this one is actually set to automatic and running. So you can just go ahead and right click on this, click here on properties, and just make sure that it's running. So hit start. And the startup type, make sure it is set to automatic, apply, and then hit OK. And this should fix your issue. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix